everyone, it's yours truly, Ross the Realtors. Thanks so much for stopping by. I got some news for you. Stay tuned. But first, I want to connect with you. You can follow me on YouTube at Ross Realtors and on Instagram at Ross Realtors. Check out my posts, the homes I've sold, buyer information, and real estate trends. Also, check out my stories. Maybe you'll be interested in building a brand new home. Who knows? Let's get started. Now, these four wonderful people, Tom, Jennifer, April, and Ronald, they all have one thing in common. They're ready to buy that home. That's right. The question is, though, we'll see. First things first, get pre-approved. Locate a realtor like me. Determine your budget, how much money you want to spend, and the right tax bracket. And finally, let's house hunt. Now that you've considered your desired location, the commute, budget, and other amenities, it's nothing left but time to put in that offer. And we're going to talk about that next time. But thanks for stopping by. I'm yours truly, Ross the Realtors. Like and subscribe.